Welcome to this video on variable frequency drives, or VFDs. We will explore the science and technology behind modern motor speed control. We begin with Part 1, the core physics, focusing on the fundamental relationship between frequency and motor speed. The speed of an AC induction motor is determined by the power supply frequency and the number of magnetic poles in the motor winding. The synchronous speed formula quantifies this relationship. VFDs operate through three stages of power conversion. First, the rectifier converts incoming AC to DC. Next, the DC bus filters the power. Finally, the inverter uses IGBTs to switch the DC back into AC at the desired frequency. VFDs significantly enhance energy efficiency by applying the Affinity Laws. Power is proportional to the cube of speed, meaning small speed reductions lead to massive energy savings compared to throttling methods. Moving to Part 2, we discuss the benefits and applications that make VFDs the industry standard for modern automation. Primary operational benefits include energy conservation, often saving 20 to 50%, and soft starting, which eliminates high inrush current. They also allow for precise process control and extend equipment life. Did you know that reducing a fan's speed by just 20% can cut its energy consumption by nearly 50%? This is due to the nonlinear relationship between speed and power in centrifugal loads. VFDs are used across many industries. Applications include maintaining constant pressure in municipal water systems, adjusting airflow in fans and HVAC systems, and synchronizing conveyors and assembly lines. When comparing starter methods, VFD control offers full speed variability, low starting current, minimal mechanical stress, and significant energy savings, despite its higher initial cost. Part 3 focuses on implementation and safety, covering best practices for electricians and maintenance staff. For safe installation, use line reactors to mitigate harmonics and shielded cables for proper grounding. Ensure adequate thermal management and correctly set all operating parameters based on motor specifications.